This presentation is about assessing websites, an essential skill for the modern student, with acknowledgements to the University of Maryland Library's website. Specifically, this presentation reviews the criteria by which to assess a website. Those criteria are authority and accuracy, purpose and content, currency, and design, organization, and ease of use. This presentation follows those criteria. The first criterion is authority and accuracy. When judging the authority of a website, look at the following. The author, who is providing the information, and what are their qualifications. The affiliation, any URL hints such as .gov, .org, .edu, .com, .gc.ca. The links, that is to say, where does the site lead you, and the contact information. If you really are not sure who is responsible for a particular site, try a Whois search to determine who owns a website domain name. In addition, when judging the accuracy of a website or resource, look at the following. Is it sloppy and full of errors? Are sources given? Has the site been evaluated? And how did you find it? Through a broad search engine, through a selective directory, or from a link from a reputable source? The next criterion is purpose and content. When assessing the purpose and content of a web resource, consider the following. Is there a stated or implicit purpose? Advocacy, commercial use, hoax or counterfeit, informative, humor or spoof, a personal page, propaganda, or hacked information. You should also consider the coverage. What are the topics included? Which topics are explored in depth? As well as evidence of bias. Is there a minimum of bias? And to what extent is information contained on the site trying to sway? The next criterion is currency. Depending on the purpose of the website, currency may need to be taken into account. Considerations include how frequently it is updated. Is this a historical data, a copy of an old map, for example, or does it need to be current, that is to say, stock information? Also examine the currency of the links. Are the page and site links current, or are they out of date? The next criterion is design, organization, and ease of use. This helps you determine the usability of a page. Considerations include, does the layout serve the user? Is it logical? Is it well organized? Are there help features? Is the design logical and easy to follow? How far do you have to scroll to find needed information? And are buttons and boxes large enough? Armed with these criteria, you will have an essential skill. That is to say, you will be able to assess websites.